See here in JavaScript, we have synchronous and asynchronous. Sir, synchronous, asynchronous means I didn't understand. Synchronous, asynchronous. Understood my point? You know how to pronounce? Synchronous, asynchronous. Or you can say asynchronous, because people will not get confused. Understood my point? You know? So synchronous and asynchronous. Actually, the name is asynchronous. Understood my point here? Because people will get confused whenever I'm explaining, array, sir is telling synchronous or sir is telling asynchronous. Understood? So that's why we say what here? Asynchronous. So you will understand, array, this is asynchronous. Okay. So now what I want to do, synchronous I will give you. Synchronous is nothing but blocking the request. Blocking the request means I didn't understand, sir. Assume that there is one Charan is there, Charan. And I told to Charan, whenever, otherwise I will say, Charan, you go and call to Viresh. Go and call to Viresh. So what Charan will do? Charan will go to Viresh. And he will say, Viresh, sir is calling. Let's go. But Viresh is typing one program. Assume that in lab by mistake he is practicing. He is typing one Java program. So Viresh told, Charan, can you wait for 2 minutes? So Charan said, okay, I will wait for 2 minutes. So means this is called what here? Blocking the request. Means Charan is not coming back. Charan is waiting for Viresh availability. Once Viresh is available, then both will come. This is known as what here? Blocking the request. Synchronous. In asynchronous means non-blocking. Non-blocking means Charan will go. Charan will go and tell to Viresh, Viresh, sir is calling, I am going. So he will not wait for what? Viresh. This is known as what here? Non-blocking. Understood my point? He will make the request and he will come back. But he will not wait for the what? Response. But what happens in synchronous? He will give the request, wait for response. Along with response, he will come. So this is known as what here? Synchronous and asynchronous. So remember in JavaScript, we do have both synchronous and asynchronous. So I will give you one example so that you can explain to the interviewer also easily. So what I'm going to give you here. So everybody focus. I'm writing the script. I'm writing document.writeLn. I'm telling what? Hi. Then I'm giving what? Sorry. Document.writeLn. Let me give BR also. BR. Document.writeLn. Welcome to JavaScript. Here I'm giving again BR. And then I'm giving document.writeLn. And he will can say bye. So tell me what I'm writing. Hi. Welcome to JavaScript. Bye. Tell me what is the output will come. Everyone is telling, sir, first, hi, sir. Second, welcome to JavaScript, sir. Third one, bye, sir. Why? Synchronous. Synchronous means this statement will not execute before, until this is not executed. Is waiting or not waiting? Blocking the request, blocking the execution. Now tell me, first bye will execute. Huh? So it will wait for what? Hi and welcome to JavaScript. See this? That's the reason first one will execute, second one will execute, last, third one will execute. But remember, JavaScript supports both synchronous as well as asynchronous. It will support synchronous, asynchronous. How what asynchronous, sir? Did you remember? I don't know whether you remember or not remember. Let me see. I'm asking clear timeout. Okay, set interval. What is the difference? Or I can say, sorry, set timeout. Sorry. Set timeout will execute the code only for one time based on the milliseconds. Set interval will execute the code for every milliseconds, whatever the seconds we are giving. Yes or no, tell me. Set timeout means, see this, document dot write ln. Here I am telling hi. Then I will write new line. New line I am giving. And below I will give one more. What I'm giving? Bye. Now here I'm writing set timeout for what? Function. Document dot write ln. What I can say? Welcome to JavaScript. After how many seconds? 2 seconds. So tell me first who will execute? Hi. Set timeout means it will wait for how many seconds? Do you think that bye will wait? Huh? Charan will not wait now. Charan will say to Viresh, Viresh, sir is calling, I am going. So see this. Refresh. What we got? F12. No, 1 second. Missing formal parameter. What formal parameter? Function. Huh? No, no. Not that one. Function now, open close bracket. Function means what here? Open close bracket. Who came? Hi, bye. After 2 seconds. So tell me, bye is waiting. Huh? Bye is not waiting. Bye. First bye is coming and he's telling welcome to JavaScript. Whenever you want to execute, execute. Whenever you want to come, come, Viresh. Sir I told you, my duty is over. Let's go. Charan is coming back. So see this. So tell me who is executing first? Hi and bye. So third statement not waiting for second statement. So remember, Java supports both synchronous and asynchronous. Understood my point? Function always having what? Open close bracket. Understood everyone? So I hope you people got an idea. So these are the 2 examples you need to give and you need to explain to the interviewer. Only telling definition will not work out. Understood everybody? Online people understood?
Yes, sir.
So let me give you 1 second, guys. Let me go here. Interview question I want to give you. So see here, everyone. Now focus. What I want to give you. As the name suggests, synchronize means to be a sequence. That is, every statement of the code get executed one by one. So basically the statement has to wait for the earlier statement to get executed. But in asynchronous, is it happens like that? No. Remember, that is the difference.